Tony Millay, the Senior Vice President of Digital Programming and Operations at iHeartMedia. The Z100 All Access Lounge takes place at the Hammerstein Ballroom. It starts around 11 a.m. in the morning and we go back to back full force. We have a lot of special guests and they just perform all throughout the day. We have huge activations with a lot of our great partners. It's a free event, so people come out all day long, enjoy a lot of music, enjoy a lot of free giveaways. So it's just a jam-packed day of content capture, a jam-packed day of fulfilling dreams of fans with a lot of meet and greets and things like that. Content is the biggest part of the event for us from the digital side. It shows off our personality, it helps our brand really expand our reach, right? So a lot of people, we want to create FOMO. If you're not there, we're showing you what you're going to miss. If you can't make it, we're going to give you a behind the scenes look, we're going to give you a front of stage look, and we're going to get you content you're never going to see, even just being there and in the public. Our workflow consists of people front of house, back of house, behind the scenes, floating around the venue. And what we do is we capture that content with all the equipment that we have. Then we have people downstairs editing in real time and posting the content. There could be an artist interview going on in one room where we're capturing the content and then passing it off to an editor to edit in real time, to put up on YouTube, to cut clips and highlights for Instagram and TikTok. Then we have people who are capturing moments on stage with artists, things that we didn't expect that are gems, right, for social media. So then we take that content, we deliver it to the editors, they cut it extremely quick, and they post it.
Hi, I'm Deanna Moore. I am Elvis Duran in the Morning Show's video producer, and I run iHeartRadio Broadway and Light FM's social media. So I'm located in the pit, which is like right in front of the stage, and I record the artists on stage, and I'm editing and cutting clips for social like right in the moment and posting it to TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, like as fast as I can to try to get it up before the fans do, because you know everyone has their phones out too, so we want to make sure we get the content out first. So recently, obviously TikTok has been huge, and that is like our main source of where we're posting because the generation that's listening to the radio now is like TikTokers. So we're really trying to focus on TikTok and Instagram Reels because Instagram switched their algorithm and video is more important now than photos.
My name is Maritza Bolivar and I'm the Senior Digital Content Manager at iHeart. My role during that day is usually capturing video interviews that are going on backstage. So for that day we use both Sony camcorders and mirrorless cameras.
Hi, I'm Naran. I'm a video producer. I mainly film and edit all of Angie Martinez's interviews, as well as other celebrity interviews on Z100 and Power 105.1. Jingle Ball, one of my favorite events to work. So we have a lot of artists coming in and out at the Hammerstein Ballroom. I'll be filming and editing those as well. So we'll be filming them, and as soon as the interview wraps, we'll quickly dump the footage, we'll start editing. Normally we just upload the full interviews, but this year we're definitely going to be incorporating shorts as well because we realize that performs very well on our YouTube pages. So we'll definitely be doing shorts. So we use Sony PXW70 cameras. So I go to my laptop and I start editing on Premiere Pro. I finish all my edits there. I incorporate some elements that I edited on After Effects as well. And I use Photoshop if necessary for any sort of still graphics.
On site, full team, we have about 33 people who are responsible for all of the content that you will see in real time and after the events.